So I crashed my drone after 7 days of owning it, but I don't know if it's that's my fault. Like, you will see, like, I calibrated GPS signal was strong and this happened. You can hear the sound of the propellers, like something, the sound at the beginning of the flight. Maybe I should probably stop at this moment, but I don't know, maybe I didn't hear that. Oh, I don't know what happened. And the camera started shaking because the gimbal is injured, so that's nice. I was so sad. Definitely is shaking because of that. Yeah, it was injured. I have still like DJI care on the propellers, so I changed them and like went to sleep. I was so exhausted and so mad. I have DJI care, but you still have to pay like 10% of the drone. It's a lot of money. And next day, everything seems fine. Like, not even like gimbal shaking. Everything works great. What's going on, DJI? Come on. So I don't know. I'm thinking about the situation. Maybe the propellers weren't like mounted correctly, but I was flying with this drone couple hours before. Everything seemed fine. I couldn't keep a position, but now everything is perfect. Oh my god, it's so much stress with flying a drone. I promised myself that I'm gonna avoid stressful situations in my life, but it's my mindset. I should just, yeah, it's what it is. What it is. I should be lucky that I can even afford this. So, and everything seems fine right now. But I would love to know what was my mistake. Like, what happened to not make them in the future. Right now it's fine. There's no shaking. Like, I'm into extreme ownership. Everything is my fault. But probably oh, this sound. I should stop probably. But what happened? Like, bam.